welcome back to our channel, Nyra and Pranav, and today we are at Kids on Deck Makerspace. Welcome back to our channel, Nyra and Pranav, and today we are at Kids on Deck Makerspace. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's get inside and explore all the activities. Look what we are looking at. Dolphins, pirate ships, whoa, and little tortoises. We can even see some jellyfish. Next behind me, you will see children on dolphins. Guys, you will not believe what I just saw. The world's fastest boat. Guys, do you want to go sailing with me? So let's go and build a boat. This is my boat. Do you want to come sailing with me? Then let's go. Let's make another boat so we can both sail together. Your boat is ready. Let's go sailing now. Guys, I'm looking at about like 100 seashells right now. Come and see.
Perfect. Yeah. Which snack would you like? We've got lots of different options.
More. What color you like?
The whale? Yep, absolutely. So I'm going to pop a thin layer of paint on top of it.
I know.
We can make a flag. Wait, please.
Because I already made one.
Okay, you already made one. Perfect. Do you want it just this way? Yep. All right, can you press down for me?
You want to do the same on the other side?
Perfect. Let's have a look.
Yeah, no, but you have to put more. Oh, yeah.
Very nice. All right.
So then do we lift it up and put glitter?
You can put glitter on it as well if you like.
Thank you.
made a sticker, and then how you use it, you put it in water, and then the blue paper disappears. And then you can just use the tape to stick it on yourself. You got it? Now you also know how to make stickers, just like me. Next, I found a micro, and you have to put this sheet underneath this. Well, you can also put others like one of these seaweed ones or any other, but I'm using this one. I put it under, and then on the screen in front, you will see. If I want to put it closer, I just move the zoom. Whoa, that's cool. And then it can even have a focus. So focus. So guys, I just put the second one. It's seaweed. Let's zoom it. Whoa. Take it back. Focus. Wow, it's focusing. Let's put it back. Woo! That was so cool. Guys, this is amazing technology. Let's see how many more we can find. Let's try this one. Ready, steady, go. Ooh, wow. Do you think what I'm thinking? Yeah, it looks like a fidget spinner. So guys, now I found this book. It is called Ocean Life. I'm reading it out to Pranav. Ooh, Pranav, what you got there?
It's a healthy.
Oh, you want to read this book with me? Loud. Guys, we are currently in a beach tent. This is what a beach tent would look like if you were in a beach tent. Our big blue oceans are full of life. Dive in and take a look. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. Whales breathe air through a blowhole on their head. That's true. Whistle. Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with one another by making sounds. Dolphins travel in groups called pods. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one will quickly grow in. So guys, we had a lot of fun looking at the microscope, making stickers, and making a boat. If you liked our video, we hope you like, share, and subscribe to Nyra and Pranav. We'll see you in our next video. Bye!